Hey nail tubers, what is up nailification squad? I figured I'd talk a little bit while I take these apart, and you know what? The reason I got these is first I noticed the shape. The shape looks like it matches most of the full coverage nails that I've been using, so I kind of figured they would fit. And I also like the curvature of the cuticle area on these nails. One thing about these is, if you struggle with polishing, this is perfect because they're already colored for you. Already polished and ready to wear or embellish, which is the other reason I got them. And they were pretty reasonable. This came in 10 sets with 24 nails each color. That's 240 nails, guys, that are already colored for you. I like the fact that they're pretty sturdy. I'm gonna size a few of them, and just as I thought, they fit nice and flush onto my nail bed, and they feel comfortable at the cuticle. And this fits, but just barely, so the other one was a better full coverage fit. And I didn't have to do any shaping. A suggestion that I would have is, even though they're pre-colored, to still size up if you're going to use any type of gel-like product because gel tends to tighten when curing. The only thing with any prefabricated nails is there'll only be 2 nails for each size, so if you happen to have nails on a hand that takes the same size, that means you would need 4 nails of equal size, right? I would suggest you size up if it's possible, then shape down. Or another option can be to mix in a nail that fits from another color. Just keep in mind then you won't have that size when you need that color. Or for example, I would choose from a color that I know I wouldn't wear a full set of and add a design or embellish it to match it in. But you know what? I also remembered that there are other selections of these sets that you can get where they're more of the same color too. I just went with the most basic choice to see if I'd like them because I wasn't too sure about these at first, but they're fairly priced, and now that I have them and see they're fair to good quality, plus the fact that a lot of full coverage basic nails come like this, I think they're a great idea. The fact that they're pre-colored is the advantage. The only thing I would say is you definitely would want to add your favorite finish, which actually isn't an issue at all. I just think it could have also came with a type of glue. But I really like them, so I did a fun and playful set with this really cute blue. I'm awake now, guys, and there's something exciting about this video that I'll explain as we go through this, but I wanted to make 2 of the nails stand out. So I have my MAKARTT nail foil glue, base coat and top coat, and some unicorn dust with a playful nail foil that has colors that will accentuate this set. In fact, I did a bougie nails on a budget last year with a similar foil in green that turned out so pretty. And I decided to do it in this blue because it's so cute, and I was going for an animated cartoon-like look. I put the foil glue on the 2 nails and let it cure for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. And I didn't have my silicone tool to rub the foil on, and I was a little bit nervous if it would turn out okay. So guys, about this video, well, actually all of them, the ones that's going to share the title Affordable Amazon Nail Haul, Try It With Me. Well guys, trying it with me isn't just about seeing my review of the product and what I think of it, but you'll be trying the product too because these will be giveaways, guys. Yes, honey, you are going to try these affordable products too. I will be randomly picking someone in each video and sending you the same product from the video so you'll have a chance to see all the key points that were shared with you in the video. Isn't this awesome? I want you to be a part of these reviews as well. And also, in doing this, I would ask that you give your feedback by returning to the same video and leaving an additional comment. This way, when I see it, I can share your perspective in a future video. OMG, I am so excited about this and I have everything lined up all the way through to September. I'm actually hoping I can continue it, but y'all, it does cost money, girl, and I worked extra hours to get the things I have lined up for you, so this is a labor of love to express my appreciation. So not only is there the 1,000 subscriber giveaway on this channel next week, we also have this, which will take place every 2 weeks. Aw, look how cute they came out. It's exactly what I was expecting. Aw, it's so adorable. I used MAKARTT No White Glossy Top Coat and cured for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. Then rub in the unicorn dust to the index finger and then an offset portion of the thumb. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I like doing many designs off-center because I think it adds more interest. Now after that will be stone placement and top coat again. And I will reveal my right hand since you're seeing the left set getting done because I want to save these right here. I have a motorcycle shirt they're going to look so cute with. These gems are actually from the Dollar Tree, and they came in those, you know, that look like polish pens where there's polish on one end and the gems on the other. I'll mix in with some AB crystals to give some contrast to the setting. So what do you think, guys? Aren't they cute? They are so adorable. I love it. So playful and jazz. I just love it. Jazzy, and I love it. The person chosen for this giveaway will receive a set of nails similar to this, but comes in a nice reusable container. After I ordered the first ones, I wanted the next ones to be brighter colors, and this is what came. And as much as I wanted these more, especially because of the yellow, red, and orange, I kept them for the giveaway. So these are your colors. And look, guys, it comes with a glass nail file. Now that is awesome. Remember I mentioned the proper way to file your natural nails is actually with the glass nail file. And there's one right in the container with these nails. I will also include a small gift bag with a mini orange wood stick, mini nail buffer, and nail glue so that you could get started right away when you receive them. So here it goes, guys. The lovely person who will receive this appreciation gift is Nails with Nena. Oh, congratulations. I am so happy for you. Be sure to DM me on Instagram at PickYouColor or email me at pickyoucolor@gmail.com. Thank you so much, everyone, and I am still so very excited over this. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more uploads, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Much love!